This is a cool new toy. It adapts the OBD2 to OBD1. Well, this is Dakota S94, so it's not the OBD2, it's OBD1. And the standard method to check for codes is flash the dash. 1, 2, 3, hold on third. Count flashes. 1, 2, that's a 12. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 33. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. End of sequence is 55. 27 and 33. Right rear corner engine compartment. Here's the harness. Here's my plug. Turn key on. Connecting. Let's try it on Lena the 92. Connect it here. Car scanner. Connect. Connected. Good. We're connected here. Got an indicator light for the Wi-Fi. Car scanner has successfully connected to ELM 327, that's this piece, but when unable to make a connection with the car. Failure to connect. Yes, key is on. We're back on Melissa Dakota the 94 with the handheld OBD2 code reader plugged into the adapter to the harness. And I read failure to connect. Handheld OBD2 code reader and Wi-Fi both plug in to OBD2 adapter. Adapter plugs into vehicles. It won't connect with the vehicle computer. Two possibilities. One, least likely problem is the wire that connects to the computer is not connected. More likely culprit is they're not speaking the same language. OBD1 and OBD2 speak a different language. Until somebody makes an OBD1 app for these vehicles, then this connector is useless.